In this video, I will show you how to highlight cells that end with a specific text in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some text values in this column. Now I want to highlight the values ending with the text on with the light red color. I will use the Excel countif function to do that. The countif function counts the number of cells that match the specified criteria. We need to specify the range of the cells as the first argument and the match criteria as the second argument. Since we want to find a particular substring, I will use the asterisk wildcard character in the criteria. The asterisk character matches 0 or more characters of any kind. For example, star on matches with apron, canon, union, mason and so on, but does not match with convo, donut, ronin or onset. For example, this countif formula will return 1 because the cell B3 ends with the text on, while this countif formula will return 0 because cell B4 does not end with the text on. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing the values. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the user formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula that counts the cell value ending with the substring and then compare it with 1 to check if it ends with a specific text. If the cell value ends with the substring, the countif formula will return 1. When we compare it with the value 1, it will return true and the format will be applied to that cell. Otherwise, it returns false and the format will not be applied. I will use the first cell in the range, cell B3, in the formula. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the rest of the cells in the selected range. Now, click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select the desired background color to apply to the cells. I am going to choose the light red color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is ending with the text on. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the cells ending with the text on are now highlighted with the light red color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means if we change any cell value that does not end with the text, the format will be automatically removed like this. Similarly, if we change any cell value to end with the text on, the selected format will be applied automatically as well. The countif function I used in the cell formatting formula is not case sensitive, which means the cell will be highlighted regardless of the text case. For example, as you can see, the cells ending with the text in lower, upper or mixed cases are all highlighted. If you want to highlight cells in a case sensitive way, that is, highlight cells only when the case of the substring also matches, we can use the exit and write functions using this formula. Here, the write function takes 2 characters from the right and then compares it with the text on in uppercase. The exit function compares these 2 string values and returns true if and only if they are both the same, including the text case. As you can see, now the cells are highlighted only when they end with the given substring, including case. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.